My name is Dominic. I'm from Zambia. I was born in Zambia. I started working at Chundu in 2011, and then I'm still at Chundu. So today, this afternoon, I'd like to make you a lovely drink which is made from the Zambian ingredients. So these Zambian ingredients, I've got one, which is the Sindambi, which is this one here. This one here, that's the Sindambi. So Sindambi is these are the flowers of the Sindambi. Its original is from the northwestern province, and now the way it came down here where we are, it came with the ladies. So what the ladies they normally do, they get the seed, they plant with their hair. When they plant it, they come to visit the other family. They just make a small garden, they just comb it, and then it germinates that side. So the whole process continues to go like that. So now with me here, because in Zambia, this also we use as a vegetable to have something with the fish. Now here I've made a drink because this one is the Zambian grenadine. So it's a little bit of sour taste and a little bit of sweet. So I've made the syrup of this out of this one, which is this one here. So this is the Zambian grenadine made from the Sindambi syrup. So and the drink I'm going to make is the pepper punish. The other mixer is the homemade lemonade, which goes well with the Zambian grenadine. So and then this side I've got the Sindambi as a garnish, and the lemon and a little bit of the mint from our organic garden. So to start with, I'm going to get the ice. Okay, then I'll get a lovely pepper punish. Sugar Sindambi syrup, there it goes, all the way. Whoop. Have to start with it. Okay, put it back. Then we get our homemade lemonade. Here we go. Yes. Then what you do, get a little bit of this one here, put it on top. Then get a little bit of lemon just for garnishing. Then we get a lovely mint from our organic garden. Oh, have to get the good one which can make my drink so nice. All right, so I'll just do it like this. Oh, here we go. Okay, and then you can enjoy your lovely pepper punish drink. So this is a lovely pepper punish drink.